I'll show you how to increase in the round using single crochet stitches, what it's used for, and some tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Welcome to Little Crochet Moments. An increase simply means making 2 stitches in the same space. So we will crochet 2 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch. I've already made a magic ring we'll start from. If you're not sure how to make a magic ring, just click the link in the description for a quick tutorial. Insert your hook into the next stitch. This is the next stitch. Insert 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. You now have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's the first of 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Insert your hook again in that same stitch to finish your increase. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through, and you've completed an increase. Increases are used all the time when making amigurumi. I use them in all plushie patterns I share on this channel. Increases are also useful for other round projects like beanies, bags, and even granny squares. There are also different ways to crochet in the rounds, like continuous rounds, joined rounds, or using an invisible join for a cleaner finish. I will cover all of these in my Learn to Crochet playlist. Before I get into how to avoid mistakes when crocheting in the rounds, if this video has been helpful so far and you want more, tap like and subscribe. Tip 1. Use a stitch marker to mark the start of your round. Tip 2. Count your stitches at the end of each round to stay on track. These tips can help your project stay mistake-free. That's it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos for more beginner-friendly tutorials.